It's vegan recipes with Pat and Emily.
Hi everyone! Today on It's Vegan we are going to make gazpacho, and I'm going to use the recipe that I got out of this preserving guide. I didn't exactly follow it, but I will give you the changes I have made. I couldn't find an edition on this like some of the other cookbooks that Ball has put out, so I just thought I would show you what the cover looked like. This is a really quick recipe once you have everything prepped, which we already have. In here, I have our tomatoes chopped up. I did not peel them. I just cored them, and I took out the seeds, and I chopped them. I don't usually take the time to blanch them and peel the skins off of them. I feel like I'm losing too much of my tomatoes that way. Then to this 2 pounds of tomatoes, we are going to add cucumbers. We chopped all of this up in the food processor. I did the tomatoes by hand. You want everything chopped up pretty finely for this gazpacho. We're going to add celery, onions, green pepper. I'm going to add our salt, pepper, a little bit of hot sauce, and garlic to the red wine vinegar. And mix it up first. Then to this we have some tomato juice. I'm gonna dump that right in there. This soup is really just a lot of prep work, and if you have a food processor, it cuts your time down greatly. Just pour this right in here. And this makes a lot of gazpacho, but it freezes very well. Lots of times we don't even end up having any that we end up freezing. I'm gonna get this all incorporated together. It smells so fresh and delicious. And on a nice hot day, what is better than a good cold soup? So then I'm just going to ladle some of this into our serving dish, and we'll be back with a taste test. The soup is already ready. Once you have everything cut, this is such a quick recipe. I decided to do some tortilla chips. And I feel like even the next day, this is even better. It like gives all the flavors a chance to really, I don't know, just come together. A little bit of vinegar in there gives it a nice little kick of flavor, and just such a great combination of vegetables, and great for the season. Thanks, guys. Please subscribe. Now it's time for the silly stuff. Should I not do this?
Stuff like that you shouldn't do.
Hi! Today on It's Vegan is in this blue book, Guide to Pressure Well. I don't know why I can't say that. Stop. Just stop. Why can't I say